Oh my god. Exploding pagers, blowing Lebanese motherfuckers' dicks off. It's one of my neighbours on his newish moped. There we go, man. Anyway, oh my god, so exploding pagers blowing fucking Hezbollah's dicks off in the old fucking Lebanon. Man, it's equally as funny as it is tragic. Oh, and I mean, like, what a stunt to pull. What a stunt to pull. Oh my god, look, there's a big chemtrail up there. Is that not hilarious? Oh shit, I didn't bring my fucking shrapnel. Anyway, what a stunt to pull. Managing to smuggle in operating pagers full of explosives that you can detonate, and it was a use it or lose it kind of call, because I think they got wind of what was happening, so they had to just detonate them all at the one time. I'm pretty sure maybe they would have been wanting to do some targeted stuff, you know. I'm just best guessing here. What the fuck do I know, man? I'm fucking sitting in the slums of Glasgow. But nevertheless, it's well hilarious, and it does make you feel like you're living in an episode we're living in a James Bond movie, book, story, meme, what have you. Oh my god. I think he's done what every young guy does, man, and take the sound box off the exhaust to make it sound that wee bit more meaner. It's like a fucking moped sounding like a fucking Ferrari. Anyway, there we have it, man. We're living. World War III has now brought us some James Bond shit. Exploding pagers. Fucking hilarious, isn't it? It really is hilarious. Get it? Got it. Good cheese and cats or cheese.